Did you know that the demand for data entry job is skyrocketing with thousands of remote positions available right now? And guess what? Some of these jobs can pay up to $32 per hour. And if you are looking for an easy way to earn money from the comfort of your home, then come with me. You wouldn't want to miss this. So I have got an awesome opportunity for you. How does it feel earning up to $32 per hour doing simple data entry job? And I'll show you a company that is currently hiring and walk you through the application process. And at the end of this video, I'll leave a link to the job listings so you can click to apply. So the company's motto is discover new possibilities for your business with our offshore virtual staffing solution. So we provide high quality remote staffing solutions so you can focus on what's important growing your business. You can find remote jobs here by clicking the top menu button, and so it will lead you to this page where build your virtual assistant career with us. Flexible virtual assistant jobs with top companies worldwide. So you can view all available jobs at 24/7 VA by clicking here. But before we do that, let's explore this page. 24/7 VA is a virtual staffing company that helps freelancers and virtual assistants find their perfect work from home job. And we have a pool of clients from all over the world looking for talented virtual assistants. So the benefits are working from home. We spare you the time, effort, and expense of the daily commute. All the work we offer is home-based. There's flexibility, full-time or part-time will match you with a client whose need match your availability. And there are competitive rates. We offer competitive rates based on your years of experience and skill proficiency. And there is regular payout option. Your work is billed by the hour and we will pay your client verified hour weekly. And there is free training as well. So we have various training programs to help you improve your skills for free. So if you want to join the 24/7 VA talent community, just fill out this form here to receive updates about new job opportunities at 24/7 VA and free resources to help you with your virtual assistant career and more. So submit the form on this page to stay updated. They have a 4.9 star rating at Glassdoor, so it's a lot more trustworthy. So you can be a VA, a virtual assistant, which is a remote contractor who provides their client administrative, technical, and creative assistant. Although many think virtual assistant can only perform admin job, that's not the case. At 24/7 VA, our VAs can do anything from booking appointments and responding to emails to managing social media and creating a website. So to be a successful VA, you must have a good communication skill, be adaptable in every environment, be able to work independently, be open to continuous learning, be flexible and team player. So they have VAs from all over the world, including Philippines and the rest of the Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Jamaica, India, Latin America, and South Africa. So we hire highly dedicated people armed with the right set of skills clients are looking for in a virtual assistant. So we hire virtual assistants of varying work experience and skill levels, and we help our VAs improve their skills so that they can get the jobs and clients they want. So 24/7 VA accepts virtual assistants in various niches, including administrative virtual assistant, e-commerce virtual assistants, specialist virtual assistant, podcast virtual assistant, construction virtual assistant, and telehealth virtual assistants, and more. For working with 24/7 VA, you must possess a certain set of system specifications which are mentioned here. So you can have a look closely. So the VA application process is also mentioned. Before applying for any position, simply double check the requirements to make sure that you are qualified for the position. You must have a basic skills check. After submitting your application, you will receive an email containing a basic skills test that you should complete within 48 hours while their recruitment team reviews your resume and application as well. So application requirements are also important. If you pass the basic skills check, we will send you a list of requirements that will help our client endorsement team promote your profile to our clients and make your application more attractive. And we'll check your computer and internet specs to ensure they meet our minimum system requirement. So this is followed by an initial interview So you will have access to our interviewers' calendars where you will be able to schedule your preferred time and date for an initial interview. So, which is followed by a skill assessment. You'll have a one-on-one assessment with a subject matter expert in the role you're applying for, and if you pass the assessment, your tier rating will be determined. And then this is followed by a final interview. Following a successful assessment, you will proceed to the final interview with our director of operation, and then client endorsement. If you're successful in the final interview as well, we'll forward your profile to the client endorsement team, who will be in charge of identifying the most suitable job opportunities for you according to your level of experience and your skill set. So let's have a look at the job openings at 24/7 VA job. So there is Amazon listing VA, which is full-time, worldwide, remote for any location in the world. And there is TikTok Google My Business Manager, which is also full-time, worldwide, remote, any location. And then Digital Marketing VA, which is part-time, worldwide, remote, and any location from anywhere in the world. Then Medical Biller, full-time, it's specifically for Philippines, and it's remote in Philippines. And then there is SEO content writer, which is full-time, worldwide, remote, and anywhere in the world. It's open to anywhere in the world. And many other jobs. You can have a look at these jobs according to your areas of expertise, your interest level, and your skills. So let's have a look at the Amazon listing VA. You don't need to type all the information in the application form. Simply, you can upload your resume first. E-commerce VA job. And it's a junior level job as well. 40 hours per week is required. Time zone is Central Europe time, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday till Friday. They require 2 VAs for this position. One is Spanish and one is German. Preferences, there is no gender preferences. Language spoken or preferences include English, Spanish, German, Italian, French, but it's a preference, not required. So you can apply if you don't know these languages, just English, you can go with that. So accent preference is neutral to none, and region preference is nothing. So responsibilities include listing review, carefully review and access product listing created by AI to ensure they accurately represent the product, make logical sense, and are applicable to the item in question. And optimization, apply your expertise in Amazon listing optimization to enhance product descriptions, titles, bullet points, and keywords with a focus on improving search visibility and conversion rates. And then there is a data entry. Accurately input any necessary changes or updates to the product listings into the Amazon seller platform. And then you have quality control. Maintain a high level of quality control to ensure all listings meet Amazon's guidelines and standard. And then there is efficiency. Aim to process and update a significant number of listings daily to meet the goal of reviewing, accepting, or rejecting 240 listings per day. Write and added product content that will be published on e-commerce website and portals. So the qualifications include prior experience in Amazon listing optimization is required, familiarity with Amazon seller platform and guidelines, strong attention to detail and a keen eye for product details and description, ability to work independently and efficiently, especially in handling a high volume of listings, excellent communication skills both written and verbal, proficiency in using virtual communication tools and software. Spanish, German, Italian, and French-speaking VAs are needed. Doesn't need to be native speaker, but should know the language very well. So application software knowledge is Amazon Seller Central, and the industry is retail. You want to work with this amazing client, simply apply now and join 24/7 VA and join the remote world today. And what we offer, what are the benefits you get from this job? Competitive rates, weekly payments, annual rate increase based on performance, paid time off, paid holidays, various open roles are available, free training and upskilling, constant support and guidance from managers and mentors, and clear schedules and guidelines, a vibrant community always ready to support you, and more. Now let's have a look at the other job, which is social media manager, which is worldwide, remote, part-time, and it's in digital marketing domain. So Requested experience level is entry level, junior level, and 20 hours per week is required. With Monday to Friday shift, and their number of job openings for this position is 1. So gender preferences is none, language spoken or preference is English, accent preference is neutral accent, and region preferences, there is no regional preferences here. Let's have a look at the responsibilities. So to develop, implement, and manage our social media strategy, create, curate, and manage published content, images, video, written on Instagram and other social media platforms. Monitor, listen, and respond to users in a social way while cultivating leads and sales. Conduct competitive analysis and research on social media trends. Design and oversee social media campaigns to align with marketing strategies. Analyze key matrices and adjust strategy as needed. And collaborate with other departments, marketing, sales, customer service to manage reputation, identify key players, and coordinate actions. And stay up to date with the latest social media best practices and technologies. So the qualification required are proven work experience as a social media manager or in a similar role, and excellent knowledge of Instagram and other social media best practices, experience with social media analytics and tools, strong understanding of SEO and web traffic metrics, and ability to deliver creative content, text, image, and video, strong communication and interpersonal skills, ability to multitask and work in a fast-paced environment, bachelor's degree in marketing communication or a relevant field is preferred, but not required. So the client industry is e-commerce. So if you want to work with this amazing client, simply apply now and join 24/7 VA and join the remote world today. So the benefits include competitive rates, weekly payments, annual rate increase based on performance, paid time off, paid holidays, various open roles are available, free training and upskilling, constant support and guidance from managers and mentors, and clear schedule and guidelines, a vibrant community always ready to support you, and more. So you can look at the jobs according to your areas of expertise and skills level. Let's now talk about the payout options available here. If you be a virtual assistant at 24/7 VA, how you will get your payout. So VAs receive their salaries directly to their bank account through Wise or Payoneer in countries where Wise is not available. So we pay on a weekly basis. So now let's see the credibility and trust level of 24/7 VA jobs. So on Trustpilot, they have a 4.8 out of 5 star rating on the basis of 444 reviews. And on Glassdoor, they have a 4.8 out of 5 star rating, and 98% would recommend working here to a friend. So I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed, if you like this video, simply give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing job opportunities worldwide. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.